Hello everyone. In this video we will see an exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is how to display the chart with the help of browse tool in case of Alteryx. So for this purpose we have to take some data with the help of this particular input data tool. We have to drag it and drop it in the new workflow as I have created different types of workflow previously. So this is new workflow 13. You can find out this particular input data in the input output tab or in the favorite tab. Now what we have to do, we have to use this particular browse tab. So with the help of this particular browse tool, we can display the charts in this particular configuration. So we'll connect to our file first so that we can input data. Click on the files, click on select files. So I'll select this particular copy change cells. Click on OK. As this particular file is only consisting of one sheet, so copy change cells is by default selected. Click on OK and click on run. So in the results workflow, you can observe the number of fields. So I guess 18 fields will be there. Yeah. So 18 records are being displayed. 6 of 6 fields are there and 18 records are displayed. There are some null values also, which you can see at the download side. Yeah. We can remove these null values also with the help of data cleansing tool, which is available in the preparation tab that we will see in the part. Already in the previous videos, we have also seen how to remove the null values. So even though you can use this data cleaning tool to clean it. No. So now we have to use this particular route tool. Now it is shown that it is being connected with this particular route tool. Route tool. Click on run. Now you can observe in this particular configuration pane. The fields which is being shown over here, that is product type, product state, type, region, and copy sales. These are nothing but the fields. So these fields can be observed over here in this particular configuration pane also. And if we want to see the chart of this particular 6 fields for the 18 records which is being displayed at the result workflow, and in this particular configuration pane we can see the charts also. You have to just click on this particular chart. So 6 of 6 fields is available over here. So we click on this particular chart. So we can see it in the form of bar chart. So we can see this and we can do the analysis also. And we can visualize it in the form of bar chart. So product type is there. Yes, product type. 6 of 6 fields is there. So product type is there. Then product is there. So if there will be a unique names under the products, so it will be say it as all are unique. Then state, then type, region, and last is opposite. So it will consider total 10 to 580. So it is in some other percentage also region, as there are only 4 regions, so it is going to count out 4 of 4 values. So likewise type, regular, decaf. So only 2 consideration is there. So what is the case that you can see over here in the type. state. How many states are there? So that we can see that. And its analysis is also done in the follow path. So that's all for this particular video. I hope you can do the visualization with the help of browse tool. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.